When I'm loading temperature-sensitive goods in summer, the box has to be pre-cooled, but I don't want to be in the yard at 5:30 in the morning just to turn on the fridge unit, so the cooling system runs all night.
The refrigeration system can be timer controlled. With a pre-cooled lorry, the driver isn't needed until it's time to go.
In built-up areas, we deliver at 4 a.m. Start-stop operation just isn't going to work. The fridge needs to keep running to hold temperature, but then there's trouble with the residents and the police.
The refrigeration unit is battery-powered. It's cooling even when the engine is turned off. The battery automatically recharges during the journey. This ensures a totally reliable cold chain.
Three unloading stops and next you're stuck in traffic. With the truck engine idling all the time, the cooling system simply can't deliver full power. And if you've got formal products on board, well, good luck. That could be an expensive mistake.
Mitsubishi inverters enable full cooling power even at idle speed, since they then have battery support. Our inverter technology ensures optimum battery use and efficient energy management. You can depend on battery-powered cooling for up to 6 hours. Our advanced inverter technology is available across a wide range of vehicle sizes. We have solutions for vehicles ranging from 3.5 to 40 tons. Inverter technology means fewer mechanical parts to be serviced and repaired. This means fewer inspections. Our fully electric TE30 refrigeration unit is virtually maintenance-free.
Fancy high-tech cooling system isn't any use to me. My drivers aren't engineers.
The units are extremely easy to operate. Choose the language you need for the remote control. Save up to 4 target temperatures for quick and easy selection.